Welcome to your glow up journey. Hey glow getters, today I'm going to give you everything you need to know to take care of your skin and achieve that healthy glow. If you're new to skincare and unsure where to start, don't worry, this guide is made just for you. You don't need complicated routines, expensive products, or overwhelming steps. With the right skincare habits, your skin can be healthy, radiant, and glowing. Grab your favorite drink, relax, and let's dive into the ultimate skincare guide for beginners. Let's get started. Know your skin type, the key to choosing the right products. The first and most important step, understanding your skin. Choosing the right products based on your skin type is the key to getting real results. If you use the wrong skincare products, you might experience irritation, breakouts, dryness, or excessive oiliness. So, how do you determine your skin type? Here's a simple test you can try. Pay attention to how your skin feels when you wake up in the morning. If your T-zone, forehead, nose, and chin is oily but your cheeks feel dry, you likely have combination skin. If your entire face gets oily throughout the day, you probably have oily skin. If your skin feels tight and flaky, you have dry skin. If your skin often reacts with redness, irritation, or itchiness, your skin is sensitive. Extra tip, take a tissue and press it to your face. If the tissue gets oily, oily skin. If only the T-zone gets oily, combination skin. If no oil comes out, dry or normal skin. PRO. Tip, if your skin changes based on the season, that's completely normal. Many people have oilier skin in the summer and drier skin in the winter. Your routine might need slight adjustments throughout the year. Now that you know your skin type, it's time to build your routine. Step-by-step skincare routine. The right order matters. Applying your skincare products in the correct order is crucial. If you apply them randomly, they won't work as effectively. Here's the best step-by-step daily skincare routine. Morning skincare routine. Start your day right. Cleansing. Start your morning by washing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove any excess oil or buildup from the night. This will make your skin feel fresh, clean, and ready for the day. But be careful. Over-cleansing can damage your skin barrier and cause dryness or irritation. Toner. Optional but helpful. Toners help balance your skin's pH and keep your pores clean. But if your skin is super sensitive, be careful. Avoid toners with alcohol as they can be too drying. Serum. Pick one based on your skin concern. Serums are powerful, concentrated treatments that help with specific skin concerns. Here's how to choose. If you want a radiant glow, use vitamin C. If you need deep hydration, try hyaluronic acid. And if you're struggling with breakouts, niacinamide is your best friend. Extra tip, apply serums while your skin is still slightly damp for better absorption. Moisturizer, lock in hydration. Everyone needs a moisturizer, even oily skin. If you skip this step, your skin might produce even more oil to compensate. Use lightweight, water-based formulas if you have oily skin, and go for richer creams if your skin is dry. Sunscreen, SPF 50+ is a must. And now, the most important step, sunscreen. Did you know that without SPF, all your skincare efforts are useless? Protect your skin from wrinkles, dark spots, and premature aging by applying sunscreen every single day, rain or shine. Extra tip, reapply every 2 to 3 hours if you're outside. SPF in makeup is not enough. Night skincare routine, repair and restore. While you sleep, makeup removal and double cleansing, remove all traces of makeup and dirt. Throughout the day, your skin is exposed to makeup, pollution, and oil buildup. If you don't remove all of this properly, your pores can become clogged, leading to breakouts and dull skin. The best solution? Double cleansing. First, use an oil-based cleanser or micellar water to break down makeup and sunscreen. Then follow up with a gentle water-based cleanser to wash everything away. Exfoliation, 2 to 3 times a week, not daily. Over time, dead skin cells build up and make your skin look dull. Gently exfoliate with a chemical exfoliant, like HA/BHA, to remove dead skin and reveal fresh, glowing skin underneath. Exfoliating 2 to 3 times a week helps to remove them and keep your skin smooth and glowing. But be careful. Too much exfoliation can damage your skin barrier, so always follow with a hydrating product. Serum and targeted treatments. At night, your skin repairs itself, which means it's the best time to use serums and treatments. if you're dealing with acne, hyperpigmentation, or dryness. Applying the right nighttime products can help your skin heal while you sleep. Moisturizer and overnight hydration. Deep hydration before bed. Lock in moisture with a rich night cream or hydrating gel. Your skin loses moisture overnight, so using the right moisturizer helps it stay soft and healthy by morning. Biggest skincare mistakes. Don't make these. Squeezing pimples. This will leave scars. Using too many products. Use few but effective products. Skipping sunscreen. SPF is a must to prevent aging. Extra tip. Cleanse your skin twice a day, morning and evening. But if you wash it too much, your skin will dry out and produce more oil. Keep the balance. Hope this guide helped you. Skincare is not about perfection. It's about building good habits and being consistent. Your glow up starts today. Keep going, and remember, your skin is beautiful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Let's glow together. Comment below. What's the biggest skincare mistake you've made? Let's chat in the comments. Also, let me know what you want to see next. Your suggestions help me create the best content for you.